Cold startup on a 2007 Ferrari F430 with a Fab Speed exhaust.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you tuned into our last video, you saw what happened to the Ferrari. So we unwrapped it just because we were a little tired of the purple. We love the black paint. We love black cars. And when we were unwrapping it, some paint pulled off. And in today's video, we're going to assess that damage and see how much it's gonna cost to fix it.
Should we refresh their mind on all the damage?
Yeah.
Sunlight?
You give them the damage tour.
Okay. First casualty we had, so this was a rock chip. And as Clayton was pulling the vinyl up, it just kind of stripped. But that's okay because we wanted the hood to be repainted anyways. So it's pretty chipped up. All right, next up. Next casualty is this, yep. One of the worst spots. Can't really see it in there, but there's a lot of paint that chipped up under here, and also on the underside of this, it's just pretty much completely gone. All gone. We have this little guy right here. And then all along this side, their clear coat just decided to poop out on us. You can see that right there. So yeah, that's a pretty huge bummer. Pretty big bummer. This one isn't too bad, but it's still pretty annoying. Paint chipped up right there. So I'm a little hurt inside.
Yeah, it's not gonna be cheap. Oh, there's more right here.
No. Oh my gosh, that looks like, oh geez, yeah, oh my gosh. Well, I personally, I don't know how much this is gonna cost, but I don't think we're gonna like how much it's gonna cost.
No, it's gonna be pretty expensive. Just like, for instance, this piece right here, they're gonna have to pull off the whole bumper in order to paint that properly. Yeah. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Shall we go?
Can't fix it without having somebody paint it. So.
Yeah, I definitely don't want to paint this myself.
So luckily, we have a paint shop literally like a mile and a half down the road. So we're gonna go there. We've already called them. They're waiting for us.
Not gonna lie, I actually am gonna kind of miss the purple because it was such an attention grabber.
Yeah, it was so unique.
Yeah, you don't really notice a black car. You notice a purple car, and then you notice it's a Ferrari, and then you notice how loud it is.
It is super loud.
Alright, you guys, before we hear the bad news on how much it's gonna be, leave in the comments below how much you think it's gonna cost us. So pretty much the rear quarter panel, the side skirt, the front fender,
the whole hood.
The whole hood.
We're not doing an entire full respray.
Yeah,
I saw in the comments of the last video, some people were like, oh, it's gonna cost under 10 grand to respray the whole car. We're not doing the whole car. So.
I'm just hoping it's no more than like 7,000. And I feel like that's being very optimistic.
Yeah, I have no idea.
So let us know what you guys think. All right, so we are here at Cascade Collision, and they, from what we've heard, do a fantastic job at paint jobs.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
They had a Huracan in here at one point. I remember that. Do you remember that?
Yep, I do.
Some paint came off underneath the mirror here.
I didn't film much because I didn't want to make anyone uncomfortable, but Mr. Cascade looked over the car, he took some pictures, and he's gonna get us a quote hopefully by this afternoon. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but you guys get to wait like 2 minutes.
Hi! Hey, cutie!
Whoa there, what's that? Is that a present for me?
Well, for us.
For
While
us?
we were gone, it showed up. I know exactly what it is, and you guys are gonna be pretty excited to see.
Are they gonna be pretty excited?
Yeah.
Or are they gonna be excited to see what it is?
They're gonna be excited to see what it is.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Okay, you guys, so this was a handmade, hand-cut wooden sign specifically for us in our shop right here. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look how amazing this is.
Is that
It's Sal Guy.
Oh my gosh.
Sal, come here. Sal, check it out. It's you.
It's all hand cut, hand
Wow.
laid. You got like the inlay ribbon across the top.
Oh my
you got the
gosh.
nice border.
I love
we got
it.
the nice Sal Guy with the logo.
Man,
That's awesome.
it smells really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it a smell.
Oh, whoa. It smells like Home Depot.
So this was made by MBS_woodworking on Instagram. You can also follow them on YouTube.
Nice.
See how they've made this. They made a video on this actually.
Oh, really?
I think. Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool to see.
Yeah.
Sweet.
We gotta
Thank
figure
you,
out a good
guys.
place to hang this.
We have so much stuff to hang.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Man, we're lucky.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you scared me.
All right, so while we wait for the dreadful news of the quote on the Ferrari, we just got news that the Cayman bumpers are done. So, are we gonna head down and go get them?
Yes.
Okay. Also, you guys, wow, this color is still popping.
Okay guys, we're pulling into Advanced Collision Repair. One of my friends works here and they did a fantastic job on the Cayman bumpers.
How you don't know that yet? You haven't even seen them.
Oh, we got a cop car here getting work done.
Ayo.
Crazy. I am so glad I dropped these off to get professionally done. These look so much better than what I could have done. Look at this. Heck yeah. And then we have the back bumper here with the ducktail. Man, I cannot wait to get this installed. All right, load them up.
No way I'm touching these.
Load them up, load them up,
No
load
way.
them up.
Hi, doggo.
I cannot wait to get those bumpers mounted on the Cayman. Do you think we should do it in today's video?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Let's jump back to the shop and put the bumpers on. You guys will unfortunately have to wait a couple more days to see the side skirts and the fenders because those are getting painted tonight here.
Okay. So I got an email and I opened up the email and I opened the quote up because we just got the quote to repaint the body panels on the Ferrari and I'm hurting inside.
I'm basically speechless.
There's no way we can afford this. So I know I asked you guys to guess what the estimate was going to be, and whoever got close to $9,964, congratulations, you are a good
You win,
guesser.
I guess.
Wow.
$9,900, you guys.
There's no way that can be correct because that's a little obnoxious. So I think we're gonna go into the collision place and just
renegotiate.
We're gonna confirm everything that he listed because that is just incredible. And then if you guys are in Utah, in the Salt Lake City, Provo area, and you have a place that you think would be a little bit cheaper and really good, please let us know in the comments below because
we don't have 10 grand just kind of sitting there.
Yeah, we don't have 10 grand
nothing.
to just, wow. There you guys have it.
Yeah, but we're gonna go back over, see if we can negotiate a little bit, see if all this is necessary, see if we can't help out in any way.
Yeah, there's like one part where they said they need to remove the windshield, which does not make sense. So we're gonna go back and make sure we understand fully.
Yeah, fully what we're paying for, what we're fixing.
Gosh.
So, but you guys, just go ahead and like the video. That's how you can repay us.
They don't owe us anything. I'll take a sympathy like. I'll take one of those. Alrighty, unload those bad boys.
Sal, are you excited to see the Cayman all done?
Are you excited to see how the Cayman done?
I am. Yeah, it's been so long.
Yeah. What has it been? Like,
It's been at least 6 months since
Yeah.
it hasn't even moved right there.
yeah. But the front bumper looks really good. Are we gonna slap it on?
I think so. I'm just putting on the lip right now. Gotta tighten up all these bolts and then we'll throw it on.
Alright, plop that sucker on there.
You guys ready for this?
I am.
Oh man.
I'm 6 months ready.
I know. It needs to hook up. Yep, right in there. Yep. Do you want to do the honors of closing the hood?
Sure.
Ooh, baby. Look at that.
Nice.
It looks so good.
Does. I really like the daytimes.
Yeah, I went matte black with that to kind of go in with the wheels and to make it look like it's an accent.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like it. Ooh. Dang.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see this thing drive.
Yeah.
It's one thing to have it sitting here in the shop, but it's another thing to have it actually being driven. Right, Sal? Alrighty. Well, we gotta put these two beauties to bed. So I think that's
Me too. I'm tired.
Okay, that is going to end today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. And hopefully we will have good news for you guys in the next video.
There's gonna be good news. It's the unveiling of the Cayman.
Oh, okay, I guess the
Yeah.
next video is gonna be the unveiling of the Cayman, and hopefully we'll have a better quote for the Ferrari.
Yes.
But I guess we will see you in the next video.
Peace.